Crispy pillbug for the happy couple. Masa talk.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, here. Let me get that for you.
Ooh, I can cook that. I'd eat a bug any day over being turned into a llama. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to keep your feet fed. We'll start by making the crispy exoskeleton of the pillbug by mixing together blue corn masa with oil, salt, and enough water to make a sticky dough. Masa has been a staple dough of Mesoamerican cuisine for thousands of years, serving as the foundations for tortillas, tamales, and other iconic dishes, making it the perfect base for our pillbug. If you want, you can add a few drops of blue food coloring to really bring out the natural color of the cornmeal. Mix until the food coloring is evenly distributed, then use your hands to lightly knead until a soft dough has formed. Let the dough rest for a few minutes to firm up and finish absorbing the liquids. I found this loaf pan that looks like it has scalloped edges similar to the exoskeleton of an isopod. So we'll use this pan and press the dough into the pan so that it fills the edges and all the way up the sides. I did my best to get as even of a layer as possible so that the shell could be cracked apart and eaten easily. Then pop the shell into the oven to bake and get it nice and crispy as we prepare for the ooey gooey center. Heat milk in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then add in some easy melting cheese. Something like Velveeta works nice to get the yellow coloration just right. Bring it to a simmer and stir until the cheese is completely melted into the milk. Next, to thicken up the sauce and make it into a dippable consistency, we can add instant potato mix and stir until it starts to thicken. If the mix gets too thick, more milk can be added to thin it back out. Finally, transfer the cheesy filling over to the crispy pillbug shell and fill it all the way up to the edges. I added slices of jumbo olives to make the pillbug look like it had a lot of legs, just like it does at Mudka's Meat Hut. The pillbug shell is crispy, crunchy, and filled with a super cheesy and, dare I say, drinkable filling. If you don't feel like sipping, it makes a great dip for chips and spinach puffs. Plus, it's the perfect order to cover your tracks as you hide from Yzma and Kronk on your way back to the Emperor's Palace. In the end, you've basically made a crispy, cheesy potato dip, and it actually tastes pretty friggin' good. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and food adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? Don't forget you can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.